Miss Cardi? Oh, Florida, come on. Stop worrying about spending. Are you chicken about becoming rich? Chicken, just inexperienced. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be going over some budgeting terms. I'm going to call this series Budgeting 101, and I will be sharing with you information that I know about budgeting. I'm not a financial expert, but I am someone that wants to see everyone win. So I'm going to share with you what I know. So let's get started. The first term is simply budgeting. Budgeting is just telling your money where to go. If you don't choose where the money goes, then your creditors will. The word allocate simply means to tell a particular amount of money where to go. Like I would allocate $10 to my Christmas fund. Next is sinking fund. Sinking fund is basically just a small savings account that you set aside for a particular event or upcoming expense. But I have a more detailed video talking about sinking funds that I did a couple of weeks ago, and I'll link it up above. Then you have things like fixed expenses, things that remain the same amount every month. Something like your mortgage or your rent or your car payment. Then we have variable expenses. That's things that may change from month to month, like your groceries or gas. For instance, a lot of people have adjusted their gas allowance due to gas prices increasing. Another term you may hear is cash flow. That simply means to pay cash for an item. For example, I'm saving up to pay cash for our next vehicle. No financing, no credit card, no credit. And the buffer is basically just leaving a certain amount of money in your account, to catch some unexpected expenses. And then you have your cash envelopes. It just depends on if you like your money folded or not. So these are 3.5 inch cash envelopes for anyone who has a small wallet or don't mind folding their money in half. Then you have the 6.5 to 7 inch envelope if you don't like your money folded. So these colorful, cute cash envelopes are in my Etsy shop. I have the link in the description box. And these are also in my Etsy shop. And we have one more budgeting term to go over. And the last term we're going to go over is the bank teller slip. So these are teller slips that you give to the teller for your denominations of, what amounts you want. And these come in handy, especially if you're a cash stuffer like myself, because you want to put certain amounts in each sinking fund. So that way your stuffing will be easier. So yeah, these will also be in my Etsy shop. Each tracker, has different stickers on them. They may not have these stickers, but these are just the ones I'm showing in my video. So yeah, those are some terms that I thought about, that I just found out about when I joined the budgeting community. So I want to share this video for anyone who's just starting out budgeting, because the terms and the definitions are very relevant to you understanding budgeting. So yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If it is helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so it'll be recommended throughout YouTube. And go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. So yeah, so this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy budgeting.